Greeting dear students. So in the previous module we discussed about the certain rules while drawing the certain rules that we have to follow while drawing the ray diagrams for convex or concave lens. In this module we will discuss about the how image is formed in case of convex lens. So while drawing this we will follow the rules that we have already discussed during the last module. So we will start with the convex lens. So first we have to draw a convex lens. So first step that all of you have to perform, draw the convex lens carefully, because if we start using the scale it will take too much time. So whenever you are drawing, also draw it roughly so that there are no chances of error. So this is the principal focus, this is double of the principal focus, this is the f dash and 2f dash. Again we will start from the infinity. So our first object position is, our object is at infinity. So if our object is at infinity, what we have to do? Take two parallel beam of light, incident beam, and it will pass through principal focus. Parallel beam of light, it will pass through principal focus. So I hope this first diagram is clear to everyone. This is the convex lens, this is the principal focus, double of the principal focus, f dash, 2f dash. ये दोनों लेंस जो होती है, they all will remain same. So first is the light which is coming from an object which is at infinity. कि object हमारा कहाँ पे है? Infinity पे. The light is coming which is parallel to principal axis. This is called principal axis. Parallel to principal axis will pass through principal focus. Parallel to principal axis will pass through principal focus. Now you can see here. What is this? This is incident ray. This is also incident ray. And what are these two? These two are the refracted rays. Refracted rays. So from the next diagram I will stop writing this incident ray or refracted ray. I will directly write them R1 and R2, and these I1 and I2. So now you can see here, see it carefully, which type of image or what will be the nature of image form. Look at these. These are actually intersecting at the principal focus of this convex lens, कि वो actual में intersect करती हैं. Refracted radiation. Here these are not the reflected radiation. यहाँ पे क्या हुई है, वो bend हो गई हैं, और ये जो bend होने के बाद जो radiation आई है वो actual में intersect कर रही है किसके ऊपर? At the principal focus. So that is why if they are actually intersecting, the image formed is real, and real image is always inverted. And what is the meaning of inverted? Image form will be below the principal axis. एक्चुअल में इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है तो रियल है, और रियल इमेज हमने मिरर के टाइम पे भी डिस्कस किया था, रियल इमेज इज ऑलवेज इन्वर्टेड, दैट इज बिलो द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, और इसके नीचे बनेगी पोजीशन एट एफ, एंड व्हेन यू लुक एट दिस साइज, ऑब्जेक्ट बहुत दूर है, हाईली डिमिनिश, बहुत छोटी इमेज बनेगी. दिस इज द सेम थिंग that happen when you try to burn the paper with the lens. कि हम एक लेंस लेते हैं और नीचे पेपर रखते हैं, बचपन में आपने खेला भी होगा इन सब टॉयज से रात. सो when you take the paper and when you take a lens, और उसको आप कंसंट्रेट करते हो पेपर के ऊपर, वो पेपर will catch fire. तो उस टाइम पे जो इमेज बनती है, जो बिल्कुल फोकस डॉट जो बनता है पेपर के ऊपर जहां से तो फायर विल स्टार्ट, दैट इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम मैनर ऑफ दिस डायग्राम. कि वो बिल्कुल सेम बनता है कि सन कहाँ है? इन्फिनिटी पे. सन की बीम्स आ रही है, उसको हम कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हैं, कन्वर्ज कर रहे हैं एट ए पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड प्रिंसिपल फोकस, और वहां पे सारी एनर्जी कंसंट्रेट हो जाती है सनलाइट की, एंड पेपर विल स्टार्ट टू बर्न. So exactly same diagram will apply there. So now you can take the screenshot for the first position. The object is at infinity. Then I can erase it and form the next position or the next diagram. Now we will change the position of the object. Now the object position is in between infinity and 2f dash. So when you are pointing the principal focus and double of principal focus, try to maintain the gap. The gap जो है somewhat similar होना चाहिए. F dash to f dash. Now the object is in between infinity and 2f dash. Now first beam of light, slightly enlarge, थोड़ी सी बड़ी इमेज ले लेते हैं हम, ठीक है. Object in between infinity and 2f dash. Now incident ray, parallel beam of light, parallel to principal axis. So from where it will pass? It will pass through principal focus. Next radiation that I will take, incident ray, that is passing through the optical center. So when it passes through optical center, all of you are aware, we already discussed during the rules formation how which rules we have to follow. When incident ray is passing through the optical center, it will remain undeviated or unrefracted. मतलब जो बेंडिंग है, अगर इंसिडेंट रे ऑफ लाइट ऑप्टिकल सेंटर में से जाती है लेंस के, कोई भी लेंस हो, तो वो बेंड नहीं होगी. दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंड हियर. सो फर्स्ट इज द इंसिडेंट लाइट. ये क्या हो गई हमारी इंसिडेंट लाइट, और ये क्या हो गई हमारी रिफ्रैक्टेड लाइट. अब इसके केस में क्या है, यही इंसिडेंट लाइट है और यही क्या रिफ्रैक्टेड लाइट है. नाउ यू कैन ऑब्जर्व व्हाट हैपेंड हियर. नाउ फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी हैव टू राइट इज द नेचर. So all of you are aware they are actually intersecting. If they are actually intersecting, so image form is real and at inverted. Now there is a change in position of image form is in between f and 2f, between f and 2f. Next is not, we don't have to write the highly diminished, लेकिन आप देख सकते हो. Now you can see it carefully. This is the size of object. This is the size of image. So size image formed is diminished, or you can also write smaller than that of object. कि object की जो height है उससे कम height का वहाँ पे क्या बनेगी, आपकी image बनेगी. तो I hope this diagram is clear to everyone. I am again repeating. Object position is between infinity and 2f1. Parallel beam of light passing through the principal focus. So this is the first refracted radiation. सेकेंड बीम ऑफ लाइट इज पासिंग थ्रू दी ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, और जहां पे ये दोनों इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे और जब ऑप्टिकल सेंटर में से पास होती है, इट विल रिमेन अनडेविएटेड. तो वहां पे क्या बन जाएगी, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज. रियल क्यों बोल रहे हैं, क्योंकि बिकॉज दे आर एक्चुअली इंटरसेक्टिंग एंड इट इज फॉर्म बिलो द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज इन्वर्टेड. कहां बन रही है, बिटवीन एफ एंड 2f. साइज इज स्मॉलर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट और डिमिनिश्ड. नाउ यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट फॉर द सेकंड पोजीशन. Now we will move further. First position was at infinity, second is between infinity and 2f dash. Now it will be at 2f dash. So first mark them f, 2f, f dash, 2f dash. So now object position is at 2f dash. So now first beam of light parallel to principal axis will pass through principal focus. This is the optical center. It will pass through. Second is it will pass through optical center. So there is slight error here. कि जब हम इसमें से पास करेंगे तो जनरली वो क्या करती है, इट विल एग्जैक्टली मैच अंडर दी, वो जब हम उसमें से पास करेंगे तो वो एग्जैक्टली कहाँ पे मैच करती है, यहाँ पे, ठीक है. व्हेन यू यूज स्केल दिस टाइप ऑफ एरर विल नॉट टेक प्लेस. तो सेकंड ऑब्जेक्ट पोजीशन इज इट इज सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ मिरर डायग्राम की सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर पे रखते हैं तो इमेज भी कहाँ बनती है, उसी साइज की बनती है और सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के नीचे बनती है क्योंकि वो मिरर था. बट इन दिस केस ऑफ कन्वेक्स लेंस, first beam of light parallel to principal axis will pass through principal focus. Second beam of light passing through the optical center will remain unrefracted. bend नहीं होगी, सीधी जाएगी और वो कहाँ पे मीट करेगी, यहाँ पे किस पे बनी है 2f डैश पे, तो वहाँ पे भी किस पे बनेगी 2f के ऊपर. नाउ वी विल मूव टू द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इमेज. नेक्स्ट इज फर्स्ट इज दे आर एक्चुअली इंटरसेक्टिंग रियल. Image formed is below the principal axis, that is why inverted. Next is position at 2f. Size is same as that of object. जो object का size है same वही size बनेगा. Now we will move further between 2f dash and f dash. So first take the screenshot and also write the properties along with this. Now I will change the position. पहले वाले में क्या था 2f dash पे, now between 2f dash and f dash. So now first draw the convex lens, optical center, principal focus, f, 2f, f dash, 2f dash. Now the object is in between 2f dash and f dash. This is optical center. To draw that dotted line so that from where you can show the refraction. So first is incident light parallel to principal axis will pass through principal focus. Second is pass through the optical center and optical center, और वो कहाँ पे जाके इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, नियर अबाउट दिस पॉइंट. So intersection point is here. So image formed is there. So incident ray, refracted ray, second incident ray passing through the optical center remain unrefracted. So I hope the second diagram is clear to everyone कि 2f dash और f dash, तो वो कहाँ से जाएगी, पैरेलल पास थ्रू प्रिंसिपल फोकस, सेकंड ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, और वो दूर जाके कहीं जाके इंटरसेक्ट करेगी. सो एक्चुअल में दे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग, refracted radiation are actually intersecting. That is why the image formed is real and it is clearly visible. It is formed below the principal axis. That is why it is inverted and position is beyond 2f. Now you can, it is clearly visible. This is the size of object. This is the size of image. So in size you can write image formed is magnified. So I hope this is clear to everyone. This diagram is exactly opposite to that of, I think, what was the previous position जब हमने यहाँ पे place किया था second diagram and this one are exactly opposite. Second diagram में हमने object को यहाँ पे रखा था, image कहाँ बन रही है यहाँ पे. अब हमारा object कहाँ है, इन दोनों के बीच में, तो इसलिए image कहाँ बन रही है, उस साइड पे. तो second and this diagram are exactly opposite to each other. So now you can take the screenshot. Now I will move my object further. Now it will be at f dash. Now the object position is at f dash. Now again first draw the convex lens. So first mark them F, 2F, F dash, 2F dash. Now the position is at F. So I have already told you कि ये दोनों डिस्टेंस क्या रहती हैं, सेम रहती है, OF या OF डैश. तो अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट को इधर से रखेंगे, ये तो है नहीं कि कोई लेफ्ट होती है या राइट होती है. मिरर में तो हमारी लेफ्ट राइट होती है कि मिरर के केस में क्या है कि जैसे यहाँ पे कोटिंग है तो हमेशा हमको इसके सामने ही रखना पड़ेगा. लेकिन इस केस में क्या है, दोनों साइड ट्रांसपेरेंट है, तो किसी भी साइड से रखो, इमेज दोनों साइड से एक ही तरह बनेगा. ठीक है. बट फॉर द सेक ऑफ कन्वीनियंस वी जनरली पुट द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो नाउ अवर ऑब्जेक्ट is at F dash. So first beam, which is parallel to principal axis, will pass through principal focus. Second is passing through the optical center, will remain unrefracted. Now you can see these rays of light are parallel to each other. So they are not the lines, they are the beam of light या ray of light. तो ray of light क्या है, दूर जाके due to the change in मीडियम, डेंसिटी ऑफ द मीडियम, दे विल स्टार्ट टू कन्वर्ट, और वो एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे जाके वो क्या करेंगे, दे विल इंटरसेक्ट. सो दैट इज व्हाई they will actually intersect. That is why image formed is real, and you can see it will be formed below the principal axis. Next is position. Position is at infinity. वो दूर जाके मैच करेंगे. Size is highly magnified. बहुत बड़ी इमेज बनेगी. So this diagram is exactly opposite to that of first diagram. First diagram में हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ था, इन्फिनिटी पे, इमेज कहाँ बन रही थी, at the principal focus. Now opposite. Now the object is at focus point, the image form will be at infinity. So first and this diagram is exactly opposite. So whenever you are learning these ray diagram, always learn them in pair. कि जहाँ पे pair possible है, always learn them in pair. So first object was at infinity. Now image form was at focal point. Now object is at principal focus. That is why opposite image form will be at infinity. So now you can take the screenshot for this. So next is I will move my object further. The last diagram is between focal point and the optical center. One more thing, don't be confused by this कि ये principal focus है तो ये focus नहीं है. Both are focus. So now the change in position. Now object position is in between F dash and optical center. So now I will again draw the diagram. Now you will see I am erasing this too. Why? Because this is the position where image form will not be real. It will be virtual. Now F, 2F, F dash, 2F dash. Now the object is positioned here. So now parallel to principal axis will pass through principal focus. This is the optical center, will pass through optical center. So when you पीछे की तरफ लेके जाओगे बिल्कुल, तो कहीं पीछे जाके वो क्या करेंगे, इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे. ठीक है. यू कैन यूज द स्केल सो यू विल गेट द प्रॉपर डायग्राम और प्रॉपर इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट. सो यू कैन सी हियर, यहाँ पे क्या है, पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, पास थ्रू प्रिंसिपल फोकस. सेकेंड इज पासिंग थ्रू द ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, सो दे आर मूविंग फार अपार्ट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. तो सामने की तरफ मिलने के चांसेस कम है. सो वी विल एक्सट्रापोलेट, हम पीछे की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. दे अपीयर टू इंटरसेक्ट. नाउ दे अपीयर टू इंटरसेक्ट. तो एक्चुअल में इंटरसेक्शन तो ये सामने की तरफ होता, नो, बट द इंटरसेक्शन इज अपीयर टू टेक प्लेस बिहाइंड दिस 2F dash. So now you can see they are not actually intersecting. So when they are not actually intersecting, so the image form, they appear to intersect. That is why the image formed is virtual, and it is clearly visible from the diagram. And virtual image here formed is above the principal axis. That is why it is called erect, and we already know virtual image formed is always erect. Next is position. Position is beyond 2f dash. Size is size, it is clearly visible, the image formed is magnified. You can write magnified, or size is more than that of object. This is the size of object, this is the size of image. So I hope these 6 diagrams are clear to everyone. So they are somewhat similar to that of mirror, but in case of mirror, reflection takes place. In case of lenses, refraction or bending will take place. So we discussed the different 6 position of the object. First was object was at infinity, then between infinity and 2f dash, then we moved further at 2f dash, then between 2f dash and f dash. Now then next position was at focal point, and the last position is at between f dash and the optical center of the lens. Out of these 6 diagrams, the last diagram is where the object is very close, near to that of lens. In that case, the image formed is virtual and erect. In rest of the diagram, except this position, in rest of the diagram, in each and every case, the image form was real and inverted. Clear to everyone? Now you can take the screenshot for the last one. If you still have any doubt related to the ray diagrams of lenses, or specifically this convex lens, you can ask in the comment section. So thank you, students.